Thank you for the gifts. Y'all are amazing. But if y'all haven't already, be sure to follow and stick around. I love getting on live and chatting with y'all. At 140K, I will do a $360 and a fit check for y'all. How tall do y'all think I am? I'm gonna tell y'all at 150,000 likes. Y'all are so close, besties. England, Liverpool. Where y'all watching from? How old are y'all? Don't be shy, besties. I love chatting with y'all. Okay, hold on. The 360, I promise y'all. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to follow and stick around. I love getting on live and chatting with y'all. And go check out my other socials because I love getting on live with y'all. Y'all are my faves. Y'all are so sweet. Y'all have got this, bestie. 150,000 likes and I will do a fit change for y'all. I love the smell of this bird. It's literally intoxicating. It's the best thing ever. Netherlands. Besties, where y'all watching from? How old are y'all? Don't be shy. Y'all are 5,000 likes away from the goal, besties. Y'all have got this.
Yeah. Step up for me, Stink. Step up for me. Step up for me. Come on. Good boy, Sam. Good boy.
Sam, you're a little monster, man. Ow, shit, you little motherfucker. Ow. He's always pulling on my tops. Sam, stop it. Bear with me, birdie. God, it smells so good. He's a monster. Oh, y'all made it to the goal. Proud of y'all. If y'all get to 200K, I'll show you with the shoes. But the shoes are really hard to get on because they're really high heel. But if y'all can get to that 200K, I will show y'all the shoes with this fit. I will. Oh my gosh, send a galaxy at least, Steve. With the demands. I mean, shit. Oh my gosh, no, he literally poops everywhere. What the fuck? I don't know about any bird ever being litter trained. Steve, I'm not doing that now just because of you. Quick way to get blocked. Make demands with no incentivizing me to follow through with them. Just making demands at me. You gotta go. Sorry, this is my life, besties. Yes.